One of the things that the College of Engineering, we think that we do really well, and it's a huge priority for us, is to create, the most diverse and inclusive environment that we could possibly imagine. And I'm really curious about your experience in that regard. How you found Georgia Tech, and even after Georgia Tech, how you found the Atlanta startup community for minority engineers, in terms of investment, in terms of the whole picture. I know a lot of our listeners, I think, will be really curious to get insight on your experience in that regard.
Yeah, so the Georgia Tech has a strong minority culture that's at Georgia Tech. So we were blessed to be a part of the Black Graduate Student Association. ASU has a very strong presence at Georgia Tech. And what I mean by strong presence is that what we don't have in numbers, we have in community. So we may not be a majority from a ethnic background, culture background, but we have a very close knit community that everybody is willing to help each other out. So the Black Graduate Student Association is some of our best friends even to today.
Yeah.
We meet regularly. We have a group meet chat from people that we've met back 10 years ago at Georgia Tech, and they're our friends. Three of Troy's grooms people were part of the Georgia Tech community when he got married. So that's a testament to how close knit that minority presence is at Georgia Tech. For us, we took that minority presence and then we brought it to tech and entrepreneurship after Georgia Tech in the startup community. So what we're doing from a minority standpoint in the startup community is we're trying to build that same closeness that we had at Georgia Tech in that community with the closeness of the community, the greater Black Atlanta Tech community, that closeness with that community. So we started a couple of initiatives. The first one is, of course, the 10,000 Founders Initiative, where we are focused on helping 10,000 founders with an emphasis, not necessarily, you don't have to be a minority, but we do target some minority business to come into our marketing system. And then also we started a space here in Atlanta in Castleberry Hill. It's about right now 4,000 square feet. We've partnered up we're co-founders with other people.
4 of them are Georgia Tech alumni.
4 of them are Georgia Tech alumni. 2 of them have PhDs.
Yep.
So we took that closeness and we started to help out our minority, the minority community. So we started this space, and the whole purpose of the space is to build, showcase the quality of the work coming out of the minority tech and ecosystem. So that's some of the things that we've started. If you're interested, then just reach out to us. Shameless plug. And then we can connect you with the right people, especially if you're a minority, because you need that backing.